everyone, it's your girl Blendedbydee, and I am back with another video. And if you're new here, welcome. Make sure you subscribe. I just want to show you guys how I achieve this 2 hair button style. Super cute, super easy. So here you'll see me taking down my wrap. I went ahead and straightened my hair last night, so this is what you'll see is me taking down my wrap. And you guys, please excuse how I look. It was 7 a.m. in the morning, super tired. But I wanted to make sure I got some content in and showed you guys this hairstyle because I thought it was going to be super cute. So yeah, please excuse how I look. This is definitely my morning face. Yeah. Alrighty, so once I've taken my wrap down, I'm just going to go ahead and section out where I want the side part or bang to be, or how much hair I want in the bang. So that's what you'll see me doing here. And I wanted to keep this hairstyle super simple and easy, so I didn't do too much to the bang. All I did was kind of flatten it out and just tucked it behind my ear. Nothing too spectacular. Once I section out the bang, I'm going to go ahead and start making my buns. So I started off by parting the section where I wanted to go up into a bun. And I was trying to get this as flat as possible. I wasn't too much like worried or concerned about it because regardless, the buns, it was supposed to be like a little messy kind of look or so. So I wasn't too much focused on getting it super flat, but I did went in with a wax stick, and that's what you see me doing here, and my hot comb just to try to get it as flat as possible. But yeah. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and put the hair into a ponytail. So I used a small rubber band and I just tied it about 2-3 times around. And then I went ahead and pulled the hair securely. And then once I done that, it made a little lump. So I went in with my wax stick. If you want your hair to be super flat, I do recommend going in with like some adhesive, as in like Got To Be spray or the Even Free spray. Just any kind of, holding spray or whatever. And then go back in with your hot comb. That'll flatten it out. I wasn't too pressed about it being super flat or being super perfect, just because I did want kind of like a messy look. But I did go in with my wax stick and then another small rubber band just to kind of flatten out that bump. So once I got the other ponytail, I'm just going to do the same thing to the other side. Again, the wax stick, hot comb. Now that I've done one side and I completed one side with the bun, I'm just going to go and show you guys how I do the other side. So as you see me, I have my comb and I'm pushing the hair up. I'm teasing the hair, okay? So once you tease the ponytail, you just want to go ahead and secure your bun. After you get it to the shape and size that you want, you just want to secure it with another small rubber band. And then once you secured it with a small rubber band, you're just going to make sure that it is fluffed out enough, small enough, big enough to your liking, and making sure it's matching the other one as best as possible, because I try to make sure they both match as best as possible, okay? But of course they didn't, but it still was cute, so it didn't matter. So once I got it like to the size that I needed it to be, I went ahead and pinned it down. I used probably about 2 to 3 bobby pins, only because with buns you need to secure one side and then you're gonna have to secure the other, like, just so you know what I'm saying, it can keep the form all day and not flap, or if you're in the wind it's not blowing away. Once I secured my buns, I just took my hot comb and went over all of my back hair or any hair that I'd had hanging down, just to make sure that all the hair is good, nice and straight and flat. I absolutely love this style once I got it completed. Like, it was super freaking cute. Like, hello. And this color is eating, you guys, okay? I absolutely love this freaking color on me. Like, I've been obsessed. But thank you so much for watching. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe.